Laura Prepon's divorce settlement, massive monthly income exposed, child support and more. Laura Prepon's massive monthly income was revealed as part of her divorce settlement with her ex-husband, Ben Foster, In Touch can exclusively report. In Touch obtained the marital dissolution agreement executed by Laura, 45, and Ben, 44, on April 14. Per the deal, the parties were granted a divorce due to irreconcilable differences between the parties. They both agreed to enforce the prenuptial agreement they signed before walking down the aisle. As In Touch previously reported, Ben filed for divorce from Laura on September 9, 2024, after 6 years of marriage. Per the agreement, the exes, who share 2 minor children, agreed that Laura will be the primary residential parent of the children. The kids will live with her 227 days and with Ben the remaining 138 days of the year. The duo will share custody of the kids throughout the week. They both agreed to be flexible with parenting time given that they each have work obligations requiring out-of-state travel. Further, they agreed the kids will attend private school. Laura and Ben will split the costs of tuition and school-related expenses. The exes also agreed that neither of them will allow his or her employees to speak derogatorily about the other parent to or in the presence of the minor children. Ben and Laura agreed to share joint legal custody. Laura, who is a former Scientologist, agreed to allow both parents to have a say in their children's religion. In regard to child support, Ben will pay Laura $5,500 a month in child support. The amount was based on Ben's gross monthly income of $70,509.92 and Laura's monthly income of $22,205.50. As In Touch first reported, Ben and Laura agreed to sell off the Tennessee home they shared during their marriage. The property was listed for $4 million. Laura will be paid $977,987 from the net proceeds, and the rest will be split 50-50. Laura, who is represented by powerhouse attorney Larry Hayes Jr., will be awarded all right and interest in all furniture, household goods, tools, equipment and gifts. Ben will walk away with his 2021 Dodge Ram 1500. The agreement said both parties will walk away with their own stocks and cryptocurrency. Ben will keep 100% of his business, and Laura will keep 100% of his separate business. Each party shall be, and is hereby, awarded any and all intellectual property of any which is titled in his or her respective name, individually or as an LLC. The deal read. Regarding debt, the exes will be responsible for any debt in their name. They will also keep their own hotel and credit cards points. As In Touch first reported, the divorce battle was turning ugly before the settlement. Laura had accused Ben of having issues with alcohol. He denied the claims. Last month, Ben filed an amended petition for divorce in which he added new grounds for divorce. Ben's lawyer wrote, Ben would respectfully show that Laura has been guilty of such cruel and inhuman treatment or conduct, i.e., inappropriate marital conduct, towards Ben, which renders further cohabitation unsafe and improper. Laura slammed Ben's claims. Her lawyer argued. Laura asserts the affirmative defense to any allegations brought against her that the ill conduct of Ben was a justifiable cause for any conduct complained of against her, and Laura therefore requests that this court dismiss Ben's cause of action for divorce. The actress accused Ben of cruel and inhumane treatment or conduct. Laura claimed her ex was guilty of habitual drunkenness. Ben's lawyer, Rose Palermo, previously told In Touch about Laura's claims Ben had issues with drinking. Laura Prepon's filing is the definition of falsehood and a disturbing fiction, Rose said. Ben also denied he ever had a problem with alcohol in response.